students who are in the school or in the college, in the university, anywhere, or for anyone whoever is interested in learning French. Okay, so we are starting from basics. First, we are going to do alphabet in French. Okay, let's see. First, most important thing, there are 26 letters in French alphabet, just like English, and the script is also same. You can see how we write it. The only one difference which is there, we speak these letters in a different way. Let's see how we are going to do it. So first letter is like letter A in English, but we pronounce it A. The second is B. Third is A. Then they. A, B, C. What you will do, you have to repeat it with me. Okay, when you are learning a language, you always learn with the repetitions. You must repeat when a person is speaking. Okay, so A, B, C, they. Then we have A. It is like a very slight A. F, F. Then we have letter G in English, but in French we say it J, J. Okay, like letter J in English. So we A, F, J. A, B, C, D. A, F, J. Then we have Ash. H is pronounced as Ash. The letter H, it's named as Ash. And there is one more thing that you need to learn. Letter H is silent for French speakers. For the native speakers, they don't know how to sound H. They don't have this sound. Okay, so that is why whenever you see a French person, they always struggle while speaking H. They don't say happy, they say happy, because by default they don't have this sound. Okay, after that it comes E. We don't say it I, we say it E. Then J was here, so it is G. K, L, E, G, K, L. Then we have M, N, O, P, M, N, O, P, N, O, P. Learners, do repeat with me. A, B, C, D. A, F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P. Then we have Q. Some say it Q and some say it Q. X, S, T. X, S, T. They have it like sound a little bit different. X, S, T. Then U. It's not U, it is U. Like you say English word view. Okay, U. Then V. W. V. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. A. B. C. D. A. F. J. H. E. G. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Okay, so watch the video again, repeat every letter with me. This is how you are going to learn, and in this video we are only doing this much part for the alphabet. Okay, in the next video we'll be starting with the gradings and everything. So do support us, subscribe our channel and like the video. Do share with your friends. Thank you very much.